Kid Mello here for ExtremeScienceKid.com. Me and my fellow scientists, Brooklyn and Justice, want to know
if soap and hand sanitizer is effective on germs.
Don't germs cause COVID-19?
I believe so.
I guess we better protect ourselves. In this bowl, I put water to represent our skin, and also now I have pepper to represent our germs. Let's see which one's more effective. Brooklyn, what's your hypothesis?
I think the soap.
Justice, what's your hypothesis?
I think the hand sanitizer.
Well, let's find out.
Whoa, that's cool.
Whoa. Looks like the soap has effect. Is it effective? Let's try the hand sanitizer.
Wow. Whoa, that's cool too.
Yeah. Looks like the hand sanitizer is effective too. Both look really effective, but you have to wash your hands every day. But if you can't wash your hands, make sure to use hand sanitizer. Make sure to stay safe from the coronavirus. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Good job, fellow scientists.